Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIBS Home School. This is Sonia Khan Joya, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for the student of class 6 student. And our today's topic is EFT English for today lesson 14 discussion. Look at the board, student. This is class 6 subject English first paper term half yearly. Lecture 12 and your homework number 8, topic EFT English for today lesson 14 discussion. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. This is English for today lesson 14, an unseen beauty of Bangladesh. An unseen beauty of Bangladesh, part B. Our today's topic, part B. Now read the text on Birishiri, a quiet and less known tourist spot located in the north-eastern border of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a small country, but it is gifted with unlimited natural attractions. Only some of these eye-catching destinations are known to us, but there are many other areas lying in the remote countryside that are less known to us. Shushan Durgapur of Birishiri is one of such places. So my dear student, Shushan Durgapur of Birishiri is one of such places. A natural attraction. Shushan Durgapur has an amazing landscape. It is located on the bank of crystal clear Someshwari river and is close to the Garo hill. So my dear student, look at the board. Shushan Durgapur has an amazing landscape. It is located on the bank of crystal clear Someshwari river and is close to Garo hills. You can see the hills of Indian state of Meghalaya from here. You can see the hills of Indian state of Meghalaya from here. The nature has unfolded its glory in this small rural landscape. Here you can see the ceramic mountain leaning against the sky, the blue water of the pictorial mountain valley, the modest movement of the river Someshwari and the abandoned coal mines. There is another river here called Kongsha, which is also known as Old Someshwari. In this place there is also another river called Kongsha, which is also known as Old Someshwari. So Old Someshwari named Kongsha. Shushan Durgapur is located under Netrokona district about 170 km north from Dhaka. It is not only blessed with alluring natural beauty but also rich in vibrant ethnic culture. There are many ethnic groups like Hajong, Garo, Achik and Mandi living here. In this area there are many ethnic culture or many ethnic group live here. They are Hajong, Garo, Achik, Mandi. Hajong, Garo, Achik and Mandi living in this area. The Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy is located at Durgapur. Again I am saying this line, the Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy is located at Durgapur. It is a center for various cultural and educational activities of different tribes. So this Tribal Cultural Academy is an educational activities for different tribes. Okay. Again I am saying the Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy is located at Durgapur. It is a center for various cultural and educational activities of different types. It is a one type of institutions. Cultural institution. The main attraction of Birishiri is the ceramic hill of Durgapur and the charming landscape along the Someshwari river. The river changes its color as the season changes. This is the river Someshwari, and this river changes its color as the season change. Among other attractions are the place of the Shushan King, the Dashabhusha temple, Orange Gardens, Shal forest and the Ramkrishna and Loknath Baba temples. These are the most attractive places like Shushan King, the Dashabhusha temple, Orange Gardens, Shal forest and the Ramkrishna and Loknath Baba temples. The best way to get to Birishiri is by road from Dhaka. You can find direct bus to Birishiri from Mohakhali bus stand, Dhaka. It usually takes 5 to 6 hours to get there. When you are there, you can go around the town by rickshaw. The rickshaw puller know all the places very well. So my dear student, this passage is about Birishiri, Shushan Durgapur of Birishiri, and it is located on the bank of crystal clear of Someshwari river. Okay, my dear students, this passage is about Birishiri, place of Birishiri, and this place there are many tribes like Hajong, Garo, Achik, Mandi are lived in this area, and there is also a tribal cultural academy in tribal cultural academy, and this is a cultural institution, and the river and this Someshwari river changes its colors as the season changes. It is a very important information for you. And there are many attractive places like Shushan King, Dashabhusha temple, Orange Gardens, Shal forest and Ramkrishna Loknath Baba temples. These are all about of Birishiri. And my dear students, your homework number 8, exercise 3. This exercise 3 will your homework. This is your homework. Homework 8, exercise 3. This exercise 3 will your homework. Homework number 8, exercise C. Again I am saying homework 8, exercise C. This exercise C will your homework. This exercise C will your homework. So my dear student, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic, and all of you students will do your homework. Stay at home. See you again inshallah.